Hello, so we are going to test the memory on this system, and to do that we have our tasks here on the left hand side. We have to use the memory tester, identify which of any of the installed memory modules are faulty, place any non-working memory module on the shelf, install 4 8GB modules for a total of 32GB of RAM. Make sure the memory modules are working before installing them. After you install the memory, boot the computer into BIOS setup and verify the correct amount of memory is detected. Alright, so let's open up our PC. Let's open up our PC. So this is the motherboard of the PC, and in our shelf here we have a memory tester. So we are going to use our memory tester to test. We are going to make use of our memory tester. So we are going to take out the RAM one by one and test with the memory tester. So let's test this. So here's our memory tester here. So we are going to test all of the RAM one by one. Let's see. So this is a memory here. We have a memory tester here. So we have a memory here. We apply our memory in the memory tester and click test. So let's test. I'll wait for it to load, and this is okay. So because this is okay, I'm going to return this back. This is okay. Let's return it back. Let's test the second one. So this is okay. So we'll take it back to sports. Let's try the third RAM. The test. This is okay also. So let's go ahead and test the last one. So click on text. And the last RAM, according to our memory tester here, says that this RAM is bad. So we are going to return this RAM to the shelf. Return it to the shelf, then we'll try out another RAM. So let's test this. This RAM I'm testing is from the shelf. So if it's okay, I'll just add it to the computer. So this is okay and it is 8 gig. So we'll take it to our motherboard. Alright, so I have 8 gig RAM in 4 places, total of which should be around 32 gig. So let's close up our PC and start up our PC while pressing F2. There is no space for you to press F2 on the virtual keyboard, so you have to press F2 on the physical keyboard there with you. So I'll press F2 on the physical keyboard here with me. I'll start up and press F2. So I think I have all, this is 8 gig, 8 gig, 8 gig, 8 gig in 4 places, 32 gig, which is what I want. So I'll go ahead and exit, go to my workbench and then check for answers. Everything is good here. So I'll go ahead and score lab. So that is it, folks. Remember to